Hi everyone, this is Akshay from Zeros Initiative. So I would like to thank literally every single person on this entire planet for subscribing to our AWS course when we gave it for free in August for the first 3 days. So we got at least, I would say the last time I checked, it was 41,525 students, but I'm still not sure about the exact count because I have to recheck it again. But it was 41,000 people from the entire world who had enrolled into our course. Thanks a lot for doing that, and we will keep giving you more content because we always believe that you need to study 1 hour every day for yourself, and that's the reason why we are updating the course almost every day. So it's a one-stop shop for everything that you need to know in regards to the cloud and DevOps, and we are trying our best to provide the best quality content. So people who haven't purchased our course, please do wait for 1 more month. So next month starting for another 3 more days, we will give our course for free on Udemy. But at any point of time, if you would still like to access our course, we always have our course hosted on the zerosinitiative.teachable.com platform for free for lifetime access. So it will always be updated the same way that Udemy is updated. So we are managing our course on both the platforms right now. And thanks a lot for all of the support that you guys have shown. It means a lot to us. It helps us. It motivates us in order to provide you guys with more quality content, which will probably one day help you in order to land a job in any organization for that matter, because the expectations in the industry have risen to such a high level right now that they are expecting a lot from the students. In terms of a programming language, a development designation is having something in regards to the cloud and DevOps. So it's like they are always looking out for a full stack developer, and it's pretty difficult in order to become one. But I can always ensure that if you study 1 hour every day for yourself, you will probably be able to do that within the matter of 2 years. So a lot of technologies at the same time you will be able to study. You will be able to work on real-time projects. It will be really amazing if you are able to do that for yourself. So 1 concept a day, 365 concepts for the year equals 4 technical certifications. I don't want any of you to ever forget that. Keep working towards that. We are right now in the month of August, and this year has just flown away so fast, and we are trying our best to give really good quality content for you guys. Thanks a lot for the support. Keep giving us more support. We will keep giving you more good content. I just finished recording 2 lectures right now, and I'm recording this video. So it's always that education should be given for free is what is our motive, but unfortunately we are not able to do that when it comes to the Udemy platform. So that's the reason why we still have all of our course content on the Teachable platform for free for lifetime access. So people who know us, please do get it on the Teachable platform. People who don't know us, just wait for some time until you get to know us in order to get it on Udemy or on the Teachable platform. So thanks a lot guys for the support. The pipeline that we have for the next few months down the line is amazing. So we are going to give you 15 new AWS services. As and when new AWS services gets released, we are going to try it out, and we are going to give you an intro lecture onto that. We are going to ensure that there is going to be deep dive Docker knowledge into the course. There is already 1 or 2 Docker lectures, but we are going to add more lectures in regards to Docker. We also have plans for Jenkins in the course, and then later down the line we are planning to introduce Kubernetes. So this year end we should be able to see Kubernetes into the course, and obviously a lot more AWS services in that matter. So thank you again. It means a lot to us. We are always indebted to you guys. So please do keep supporting us, and we will keep giving you more quality content. So I keep saying that more quality content. The reason is because we not only ensure that it's theoretical in nature, we also ensure that it's practical in nature. So at least you do get some kind of hands-on on that particular service. We will be introducing more projects. We have already introduced 1 microservice Angular-based deployment project, which I suppose should be interesting for you guys. We will have 1 more in regards to DevOps and blue-green deployments. And the 3rd one would be in regards to the serverless framework using the Amplify framework too. So thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. See you soon, and take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.